No, it's not a fair question.
Good job, Fable. You're brushing your pony.
Yeah. Hi, Mom. Her so clean.
Can you pet her? Is she soft? Yeah, she's really soft, isn't she?
Her so clean.
All right, can I have the brush, please? Thank
so
you.
Clean.
Go stand right next to Grandma Sarah, please. I'm going to put the saddle on her.
You got your little riding boots, Fable?
Oh, they're so cute. That's right. That's how you clock.
Tap dancing, huh?
No, it's clocking.